Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. Already you know we are discussing your last lesson and that is decimals. I am solving some of the examples from your evaluate part and page number 166. Dear students, in previous videos you learned how to write numbers to decimal numbers to in words and in words to in decimals. Then what about in today's class? In today's class also you are going to learn about the expanded form of the number. Before going to solve these examples, you have to know one thing and that is place value chart. Place value chart of the decimal numbers. Then what is this place value chart? Already we have discussed in previous videos. So let us revise once again here. So here first what will come? Decimal point. So whatever there here this side means right side, what is there? Ones is there. Next what is there? Tens is there. And here what is there? Hundreds is there. It means we are writing ones, tens, hundreds. And here after the decimal point we have here 1/10 and that is 100s and here 1000s. Okay, so here how we are writing? TTHs, HTHs and here you are writing THTHs, THTHs. So this type we are writing the place value chart of the number. Then let us write this number in place value chart. So this 0 is there in ones place. So write here 0.876. 0.876. So I arranged this number in place value chart. So 0 is there in ones place means it is 0 plus 8 by 10 plus 7 by hundreds plus 6 by 1000s. So this type we are going to expand the numbers. If you know this place value chart, so instead of keeping this ones, tens, hundreds, you keep in this ones, 10, 100, 1/10, tens, hundreds and thousands. If it is there in your mind, then you can expand the numbers. Okay, why I revised this? I hope you understood. So if you know this, then we can go into solve the next examples. Okay, dear students, already you know the place value chart. Then what will come here? 1/10, 100 and here 1000. So here you write 1. So write here 0 plus 8 by 10 plus 7 by 100 plus 6 by 1000. Why I wrote this? I hope you understand. So here ones and tens is there and here what will come? Ones, tens means you write here 1 and here you write 10 and here you write 1 by 10 and here you write 1 by 100. I hope you are understanding. If you know the before place value chart, then you can expand the numbers. So right here 8, 10 means it is 80, 9 ones means right here 9 plus 1 by here in ones plus 0 is there means that is 0 by 10 plus 7 by 100. Next take here 8 tens. Okay, so here you write 1 and here 1 by 10, 1 by 100. 8 ones means 8 plus 0 by 10 plus 9 by 100 plus 7 by 1000. Okay, place value chart keep in your mind. Next here 8 ones means that is 8 plus 9 by 10 plus 3 by 100. Okay, 3 by 100. So here again see ones, tens, hundreds. Here 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000 will come. So 4 tens means right here 400 plus 50 plus 0. 8 tens means 8 by 10 plus 0 by 100 plus 7 by 1000. Okay, so this type you are going to expand the numbers. Okay, so if you know the place value chart, then you can solve the examples easily. Okay, so here I took some of the examples from your evaluate part. Okay, so next move to next example. See here, now they given the numbers and you expanded the numbers. So this should be in your mind. Here point ones, tens and hundreds, and here 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. If it is there in your mind, then you are going to solve all the examples. Ones, tens, hundreds, this is tens, hundreds, thousands. Oh, anyone, as you move left side, the value of the number increases 10 times. As you move right side, the value of the number decreases 10 times. Okay, this difference you should know. Next, I will take some examples from your my practice time. No, not my practice time. From evaluate part. Write as a decimal number. So E1 write as a decimal number. Write as a decimal number. Write as a decimal number. So take here 600 plus 70 plus 6 plus 9 by 100 plus 3 by 1000. Okay, next 20 plus 7 plus 9 by 1000. Next 6000 plus 6 plus 6 plus 5 by 10 plus 2 by 100. Next I will take one more example. 7000 plus 70 plus 6 by 10 plus 9 by 100. Okay, so A, B, C and D. See dear students, you have to know how to expand the numbers also and how to write in decimals also. So before only I told the place value chart. So let us write here. Here you give point, ones, and here you write tens. Okay, I will write up to 100 because here 600 is there. So write here 100 place, and here up to 1000 means 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. So this writing is important to write its decimal number. So tell me here 600 is there. So 6 is there in which place? That is there in 100 place. So write here 6. 7 tens is there means 70. So I have to write this in tens place. So here 6 is there. 6 is there. 6 ones means you write here 6 and give here point. Here you have to know your point to be noted. So here dear students, 10th place is not there. 100 place is there and 1000 place is there. Then what we have to do for 10th place? There we need to give 0 and that remaining terms you write in 900 and this is 3676.093. So see here most of the students for overconfident what they are doing, directly they are writing their 93, but that is wrong. So if you are writing this type place value chart, then it's very easy and you will get a correct answer. Why I wrote here 0 understood? Because here in tens place there is a no digit. Next we will move to next one. Again the same procedure you have to follow. Point here 1 and here tens, and here you write what we are going to write here, 1 by 10, 1 by 100, and here you write 1 by 1000. Okay, so this is the place value chart. You are writing it as a ones, tens, 100. I am writing it as in the number. So dear students, here 2 tens is there means 20. 20 is there means here 10th place is there. So write here 2. 7 ones means you write here 7, and here just you need to observe here 10th place also not there and 100th place also not there. So what we have to do, in that place you have to put here 0, 0, and here you write 9. So 27.009 will be the answer. Okay, I hope you are getting my point. 27.009 is the answer. Why I wrote there 0 understood? Because in tens place and 100 place there is a no digit. Next we move to next one. Again see I have to write up to 1000 place. So write here ones. Here you write ones. Next tens, 100, and here you write 1000 and here you write point and here 1 by 10 and here 1 by 100. So 6000 means it should be in 6th place, and see here 100 place is not there, 60 is there. It means I have to give here 0, 6 tens, 6 ones, point, here 5 2. So 6066.52, 6066.52. Okay. So next we move to next example. See here again you have to repeat the same procedure: ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Okay. Point, here what is there? 1/10 and here 100. Okay. So 7. See dear students, here in 100 place there is a no digit. So here you have to give 0 and here 7 and here 0.69. 7070.69. In ones place also there is a no digit. 7000 plus 70 is there. So 7 is there in 1000 place. 0, 7 in tens place. In ones place there is no digit. So you put there 0. Most of the students are writing 77.69. 77.69. That is completely wrong. So here I have solved here D1th and E1th. So solve this all the examples neatly and send it to my WhatsApp number. Very soon you have a periodic test to exam. So prepare for your exam. I hope this class is clear to you. Thank you.